has been hit by some significant rainfall over the last few days. For instance, this vision you're seeing on screen is from an intense storm that hit the Atherton Tablelands on Tuesday. Look at the gusts with this storm. That's sideways rainfall. Now, further to the south, a little bit more indicative of the tropics, Airlie Beach getting hit by ex-tropical cyclone Penny overnight and into Wednesday. You can see the gusty winds, and you can't really see it, but there's actually some pretty heavy rainfall falling in this vision as well. Now, that system will migrate north across parts of the Herbert and Lower Burdekin, where the heaviest of the rain will be over the course of Thursday and Friday, then shifting to the top end over the weekend. We'll also see storm outbreak for New South Wales, easing back by the time we get to this weekend and drying up for large parts of southern Australia. That's as heat develops. But we could see Penny make a return somewhere in the Timor Sea early next week. Bit of model uncertainty there, but it is possible that it could happen. So we'll keep a close eye on how that goes, because if that happens, we'll see yet another tropical cyclone. But this time, Penny will be a cyclone in 3 parts of Australian waters: the Coral Sea, the Gulf of Carpentaria, and that western region as well. Wouldn't that be something? Let's take a look at the forecast rain for Thursday. Showers and storms averaging about 1 to 10 millimeters in New South Wales. Now, the showers on the coast will be fairly light. The storms on and west of the ranges could bring totals in excess of 15 millimeters. For the Herbert and Lower Burdekin up to parts of the tropics, expect some areas to get over 100 to 150 millimeters of rainfall. On average, around 25 to 75 millimeters of rainfall. On Friday, that'll shift further north, kind of away from the Townsville area, more towards that Cardwell, Lucinda, going up to the Cairns area. That's where that heaviest rain will be. And we'll also see some totals over about 25 to 100 millimeters for parts of the Queensland tropical tablelands. In southeast New South Wales, storms bringing isolated totals over 50 millimeters there potentially. We could even see some damage due to those storms there as well. Saturday, drying up, just the odd storm lingering for the New South Wales ranges. Heavy rain across the Gulf of Carpentaria, shifting to the top end over the course of Saturday into Sunday. Widespread 25 or more there, depending on how the remnants of Penny track through, and that'll stick around into next week. You can see Tuesday, parts of the Kimberley start to get doused, and into Wednesday. So the forecast over the next 8 days shows that we're going to see some heavy rain over New South Wales. That's with storms Wednesday through to Friday, easing on Saturday. Widespread totals 50 to 150 millimeters for the Queensland tropics, with the remnants of Penny shifting to the top end over the course of the weekend.
And I was watching the ABC this morning, and the weatherman on there, Nate, he said he had a sneaking suspicion the Penny might come back for a 3rd time. So I drew this because I thought, well, Penny, the coin, is a circle, but if Penny's going to have 3 lives in 3 different oceans, then she's really a triangle within a circle. The circle is the coin, and the pyramid or the triangle is within the circle. Penny. The power of the penny is honesty. So Nate connects to Nathan. And the weatherman we were just watching is Tristan Myers. He's from California. So Penny, tropical cyclone Penny, and it was the penny in the pond. Riley came along, and the penny reflected in the moonlight. Owen was sitting by the pond. Owen, Riley's identical twin. And does that mean they're the same size? I guess so. I guess it does. But Riley has the penny. So Riley has the power. The power that comes with honesty when it comes to the penny. So, Riley, the next name on the tropical cyclone name list after Penny is Riley. Riley and Lily. Lily and Riley. Riley, the boy who took the penny from the pond. What does it mean? Well, your guess is as good as mine, but I'm thinking it means that Riley has the penny, and Owen's not happy. Owen is green with envy, actually. Green with envy. And the lilies growing in the pond, what used to be the pond, what is now the garden at Western Park. I said Riley's going to be a Western boy. It looks like Penny's also going to be a Western girl. Indian Ocean. Park, Western Park. That's where the garden is. That's where the pond is. Weird. Western. Penny in a pond. A pond that's no longer got water because Riley took the penny. The penny was the power of the pond. So Riley has the power of the penny. Jake comes from the land of ice and snow. Nathan, a boy from down under. And yet they're both in the same world now. Another world. Does it remind you of something? Narnia, maybe? The penny in the pond. Taken by Riley. Riley, the penny thief. I don't know what it means. I'm just, doing my best to work it out. But I'm thinking this is definitely Penny's symbol. This symbolizes Penny. She's going to come back for a third time. Definitely. There was also something that Amy wrote to me. Amy from Bowen. Bowen contains the name Owen. Owen equals 57. Daffodil, 57. Owen, the daffodil boy, sitting next to the pond. Along comes Riley. Under the full moon. The next full moon, by the way, is on the 21st. It's 12 days from today. Today's the 9th. So in 12 days, it'll be the super moon. The super moon. Round. Round. Like the hurricane is a spiral. Just like the galaxy is a spiral. But the eye of the hurricane is a circle, just like a ball. The circle. The circle only has one side. That is a song by Travis. The band, Travis. Circle only has one side, but the triangle has three. Penny has 3 lives. A third life in a third ocean. Your guess is as good as mine, but, I've also connected the lily because there are lilies in the pond. Lilies with green flowers. Nathan's favourite colour, green. The power is in honesty. Can Riley be so honest with himself, within himself, that the penny becomes a ring? There was a mention of fingers of rain in relation to Darwin earlier. And I'm just thinking, finger, ring finger. Is Riley going to wear the penny like a ring?